Chief Executive Officer of Redis Labs, Ofer Bengal, is here. Please give him a warm welcome, and he'll tell you more about our partnership and what it means to his company. Ofer?
Hi, Thomas.
Welcome, Ofer. Tell us a little bit about Redis Labs and your partnership with Google Cloud.
Sure. So firstly, thanks for having me. It's a great event. So our partnership goes back to 2014 when we first launched Redis Enterprise, our fully managed Redis service on the Google Cloud. And this partnership has evolved significantly ever since. We always shared with Google the belief that our customers and us can greatly benefit from our investments in the open source community.
What are your thoughts about this strategic initiative we announced today?
Well, this strategic initiative is great for us because, as you know, monetizing open source was always a very big challenge for open source vendors, and more so in the cloud era. Now, Google has taken a very different approach from other cloud vendors when it comes to open source, and I think that this is great news for the open source community. But no wonder, I mean, Google has deep roots in open source for years with investments in projects like TensorFlow, Kubernetes, etc. But I think that today, with this initiative, you took it to the next level.
How do you think this partnership can benefit our joint customers?
So I think that customers can now consume Redis Enterprise, which is our managed service, with the same user experience as they have with other native Google Cloud services. And when I say same user experience, I mean the same style UI, same support, same billing, etc., etc. So now they can select, for certain use cases, native cloud services by Google Cloud, and then for other use cases, they can select best-of-breed, enterprise-grade services by third-party providers like Redis Enterprise. And in the case of Redis, I think that when it comes to certain use cases, users can select Cloud Memory Store, which is the native Redis service by the Google Cloud. And then for more advanced, for more sophisticated use cases, such as active geo distribution for Redis, or Redis as a multi-model database, they can go for Redis Enterprise. I'd like to point out that Redis Enterprise is tightly integrated with some of the cutting-edge technologies of the Google Cloud. So, for example, our active geo distribution leverages the fast global network of the Google Cloud and TrueTime. And our Redis on Flash technology is tightly integrated with NVMe and persistent memory offerings by the Google Cloud. So all in all, I think it's a match made in heaven.
Thank you so much, Ofer.
Thank you,
for your partnership. Thank you for what your company and your developers are doing with us.
Great pleasure.
Thank you very much.